Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Is cleaning time, general cleaning time here in our kitchen. So, lahat ng kalat, mga books, so many cobwebs like this, needs to wipe. So, here are the books that I need to put aside, not here in the kitchen. This one, Philip books. What's this? Books of Enoch. This one, very nice books. There is Chronological Bible. Wow, I did not read this one. I don't know what is that inside here. So many kalat. Kani po, unsa man ni? Sa mga World History Timeline chart. Oh my god. Oh, very nice. So, ang sa mga history about the Bible, guys. Ako ano siyang basahon, be. Grabe akong bana. Ay, napaka hardworking. Laking mga bukbok. Ipang bukbok na lang. Sa mga po ni siya. Oh, Holy Bible. Genesis. Oh, this is so important to me because I am Exodus. I am teaching the kids. So I need to read the history, the Bible. So unsa pa ni dare mga unsa man Bridgers. Kanang dictionary niya. So, parang pa dyan ko nakatanaw. Ano guys, Webster's Dictionary. No need to look at the dictionary because nana ang cellphone, purti ng kuana. Saan po ni Bible. Ayong balita, Biblia. Oh, English, Bisaya. Oh, kanila may sa daghanon ng Bible. Ay, sa marami pagbasa na ako. Kaning sa man po ni Garden Rose. Grabe dyan si Philip po. Yung mga, sa mga compost rose na siya mga yung ano, sa mga numbers rice field kaniyang ipanglinginan is mga nag-uwan ni guys kaniyang January last year po dahil kung saan na yung mga chart 2020 sa mga 2024 ano na 2024 kani siya mga field siya guys kani nag-uwan ni raindrops pag September, October, November, December. Oh, nag-uwan day pagkuan guys. So, kasi na-monitor si Philip everyday. So, monitor dyan siya guys ang tugikan pag ano pa niya year. Ano na year? 2000. So, manong mga kalat guys. Dindari. Ako na i-arrange diri. How are you, my love?
Who's that?
Ito ka video.
Oh, you're taking a video. Okay.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Merry Christmas.
What?
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas to everybody out there, wherever you're at.
Yeah, all over the world.
Yeah, we're looking at another Christmas here in the Philippines.
Yeah, 2025.
Yeah.
How are you today?
Always good, yeah. I don't work as much as I used to, but I ain't getting any younger either, so it all works out in the end, but
What can you say about my
about your what?
my channel, my what's that?
Oh, Beth does so good. Anybody that's watched her channel on and off over the last umpteen years, just a lot of information on our little farm out here in the country and growing crops and canning vegetables and raising pigs and raising chickens and raising dogs.
Gardening,
And yeah,
landscaping.
we've done so much here, and still, you know. Yeah.
We're still alive.
But we make a good couple. We work good together, and
Praise the Lord.
that's what really counts here, you know.
Thank you, my love.
I always tell her I got real lucky with her when I hear all the other horror stories out there of that so many other expats and foreigners have run into, and Beth and I just had none of those problems. We've been together ever since I came, actually before we came here, and when I finally did come here in 2010, and we've been together ever since.
Yeah.
And went back home in 2010 and 11, sold everything, came back in 2011, been here ever since. So
Yeah.
we're looking at we're in our 15th year.
Wow, it's been so long already, my
Yeah.
love.
You know, yeah, you kind of look back and where did that time all go to?
It's so
I mean,
fast.
Yeah, it's been so fast, and even our little farm and homestead here, we've been here, 11 years already here. So, yeah, we've done good. So, everybody, yeah, have a Merry Christmas out there wherever you're at.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, my love.
Yep.
So, I just have a little interview to my husband. Because I arranged here. I'm going to arrange this one, guys. Make it a little beautiful in the kitchen. I changed the curtains too. So we have some dogs laying down here. This is our family. The messy table, and going to put a Christmas decor here. So just stay put, guys. And oh, we have already internet, guys. So yan, PLDT, praise the Lord. So far so good, the internet now. So I'll be back later. God bless everyone. Bye for now.